I checked out Pp405 hair loss drops in 2025, and honestly, it gives off a somewhat cautious vibe. The product claims to reduce hair thinning, promote regrowth, and strengthen hair using a mix of herbal extracts and vitamins. On paper, it sounds promising, but there isn't much independent research on this exact formula. The website is polished, with sleek product photos and clear instructions on usage. They highlight natural ingredients and promise visible results within a few weeks. Shipping and return policies are outlined, which is a positive sign. That said, real user reviews are limited. And most of the testimonials come directly from the brand site, making it hard to verify effectiveness. Some users report seeing minor improvements, while others noticed no change at all. Pricing is moderate, but similar hair growth products might be available for less. Overall, Pp405 hair loss drops look legitimate in terms of business practices, but don't expect miracles. If you're curious and don't mind experimenting, it could be worth trying, but keep expectations realistic. As always, consult a healthcare professional if you have underlying scalp or hair conditions before starting any supplement.